If you want to buy or sell crypto in Nigeria using Naira and you don't want stories that touch the heart, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell crypto using Naira on Bybit through peer-to-peer and how to avoid being scammed. Now, to buy crypto, you will need to fund your account. There are two ways to fund your account on Bybit. You can fund it through peer-to-peer or through bank transfer. Now, peer-to-peer is the one I'll recommend. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do this on the Bybit website and on your mobile phone. On the Bybit website, tap on deposit, select P2P trading, which means peer-to-peer trading. Always trade with verified merchants. Now, to make sure you do this, tap on filter, check the show only verified advertisers box and click on confirm. Pick a seller with a high rating and a limit within your transaction. Enter the amount you want to transfer, complete the transfer, and you're going to receive your USDT. If you're using the Bybit app, go to Assets, tap on Deposit, select P2P Trading, tap on this filter, select Only Show Verified Advertisers, confirm, pick an advertiser within the limit you want to transact in, tap on Buy, enter the amount you want to buy, make the transfer, and you should receive the USDT. Always do all your dealings on the Bybit app. Do not move the conversation to WhatsApp or Telegram. Once the coin has been released to you, take your time to verify the amount you received from the seller, and if anything feels off, you can use the Bybit appeal system to file a report. Now, let me quickly share my experience with you. I once bought USDT from a verified seller. I transferred the money, but the seller did not release my coin. I messaged him on the app. He saw the message, didn't reply, and that's when I went through the Bybit appeal system. Bybit stepped in, they resolved it, and I got my coin. So yes, your transactions are protected when you follow the rules. Please follow the rules. Now you know how to buy. What about selling? How do you convert your USDT to Naira? How do you withdraw your money? Now, it's very easy. Let me show you. If you're using the website, go to the Bybit homepage, click on P2P, select sell, pick a verified seller with the right limit, and enter the amount you want to sell. Under payment method, select your bank account and click on sell. Once you've received the money in your bank account, you can now release the funds to the seller. Now, remember to confirm the amount you received before releasing the funds, please. If you're using the Bybit app, tap on Assets, tap on Withdraw, select P2P Trading, pick a verified advertiser, enter the amount of USDT you want to sell, and tap on Sell. And in no time, you're going to receive the money in your bank account. Now, if you don't have a Bybit account, I have good news for you. When you join Bybit using the link in the description of this video and you make a first-time deposit of $100 and more, you're going to get a $5 peer-to-peer coupon. You're also going to get a $500 position airdrop and additional rewards from $15 up to $5,000 in your Bybit reward hub. The higher your deposit and the more you trade, the higher your rewards. Now, if you're new to crypto and you want to learn the right way, Bybit also has a trading community you can join. You can learn from experienced traders, get trading ideas and signals, and avoid beginners' mistakes that usually lead to stories that touch the heart. Now, if all this sounds good to you and you want to join the Bybit trading community, the link will be in the description of this video. You can check it out. Now, trading is risky, but you can learn to mitigate the risk, and I strongly recommend learning from people who know what they're doing, who know how to trade, so that you don't get disappointed. So yeah, that's how to buy and sell crypto using Naira on Bybit. If you found this video to be useful, hit the like button and maybe subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys with more videos like this. Valor Reviews, signing out. Again, remember, if you want to learn how to trade crypto, click the link in the description of this video. Bye.